So in question number 11, I'm going to break these up into multiple videos. We're going to look at part A, where we have to write an equation to model that can predict salary based on GPA. So because we're predicting salary, remember salary is always going to be a y hat. So we're going to predict salary based on GPA. So I'm going to read through the top part here, and I'm going to say, okay, taking a look here, I see mean GPA was 29, and standard deviation was 0.4. And I see starting salary had a mean of 47,200 with a standard deviation of 8,500. And it says the correlation between these two variables is this right here. Yay, they've done that for us. Okay, so taking a look here. In order for me to do y hat, I need to know what B0 and B1 is. So B1, we'll do that first. So B1 is equal to R, well, R is 0.72 times, and in the formula it's SY. So I need to find the salary's standard deviation. So salary's standard deviation is right here. It's the 8,500. All of that is going to be over the standard deviation of X. So I need to find the standard deviation of the GPAs, which is that 0.4. Now, very important when we type this into the calculator to make sure that we type it in correctly with all of our numbers in the top being multiplied, and then we divide by the bottom. So 0.72 times 8,500 divided by 0.4. So when I do that on my calculator, I get that B1 is equal to 15,300. Now, finding B0, for B0, it's Y bar. So if I look for the average of the salaries, so my mean of the salaries was 47,200, and I'm going to subtract from it B1. Well, B1 is what we just found. That's 15,000 times X bar. So X bar, X is my GPA. The mean of the GPA is 2.9. So now 47,200 minus the 15,000 times 2.9. And I get that B0 is equal to 3,700. So now I'm going to take all these and put them together and say that Y bar is equal to B0 plus B1, which is the 1500, times X. And that is my final equation.